So humans have used their technology to remove trees and other plant life from wide areas of their natural habitat for the purpose of creating agricultural lands, industrial zones, roadways, or residential and commercial development. So first of all, it is only humans who destroy our environment because only humans are capable of doing so. They destroy the environment for other things such as cutting down trees to build buildings, and it's not just people who suffer from the destruction of our environment. The animals that live here are also affected because their homes are being destroyed by people using technology. So next, collectively known as habitat disruption. These activities have had the effect of displacing plants and animals, species important to the maintenance of a balanced ecosystem. Human agriculture has produced a variety of negative effects due to inattention to its impact on the natural environment. Next, failure to use cover crops that protect soil from erosion between planting cycle has exposed bare soil to erosion, resulting in loss of topsoil and sedimentation of water sources. Overcropping is the failure to allow soil to recover nutrients and organic matter content between plantings. Overgrazing is the practice of allowing large numbers of domestic animals to graze an area too small to support them. So, if we need trees to build houses, we should plant new ones to replace what we've taken. So our environment won't be completely destroyed. And let us use wood properly. Let's not just throw it away because we're building a company on it. So these are the example of picture of deforestation of habitat and wildlife habitat destruction. That's what we all thank you.